So Holly, we have had a really fantastic response from kitchen retailers and showrooms to our buy one get one free working display deal, haven't we?
We have, yes.
What is the essence of the deal? What do I have to do to get my free kettle?
Sure. So the first step is to register for your retailer trade terms online.
Okay.
So it's really easy. You head over to our website and on our homepage, just in the top right corner, it's clearly flagged for kettle retailers.
Do I need lots of details? Do I have to have my VAT registration?
No.
Stuff?
We've made it super simple.
Okay, that's good.
So yeah, you can put all that information in if you like to, but yeah, there's a few mandatory fields, obviously, just so we can see who you are and where you are. It takes less than a couple of minutes.
And terms are applied immediately?
That's it, yeah. There's no waiting around, you know. You can literally place orders straight away on the online portal if you wish to.
Great, okay. And so with the working display, it obviously it is what it says. It has to be working.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. So what we do is you can then purchase your kettle. Obviously, you receive your trade terms on and your discount with it. And you can choose any tap that we offer.
Any taps eligible.
So yeah,
perfect.
the kettle original is quite popular, but also the kettle signature as well.
Which is this one?
That's right, the stainless steel.
Or I could have a beautiful brass.
You can have, beautiful brass here. So that's we've got 4 different colour finishes. So this is our brass. We also have copper, gunmetal and black options too.
So it's a like-for-like offer, so I could have that as my working display and then I can have a completely free tap, and it's the system as well, so it's the boiler tank, it's the filter system, the whole thing,
everything,
and that comes out to me free once I send you images, video.
That's it, just pop us a short little video of you making your first kettle cuppa would be great. In your showroom. So it's up and running, and then that's for us to obviously see that it's up and working okay, and also we've got a retailer locator as well, so we just make sure that we can then pop you on that as a listing as well, so people can find you.
And social media and sort of basically telling everybody that you've got kettle in your showroom.
That's it. We it's a partnership. We like to work with you, and we'll do what we can. We're asked several times a day between our sales and customer service teams, where can I see one?
Of course. We want to send people to showrooms. And I mean, this is a really good deal, isn't it? Because this is the stainless steel kettle signature, and that retails, I think, perhaps just over £700 at the time we're filming this anyway. And the coloured finishes maybe just over £1,000.
That's right.
So even if you were getting a stonking great margin from another brand, I'm thinking that I would still have to sell quite a number of those taps to sort of equal the value of that completely free tap and system.
That's it. It's just an extra perk, really. We're looking to build our kettle retailer network. We really enjoy the relationships we have with those that are on board with us so far. So terms are, our product is extremely competitively priced anyway. So our terms, but we like to, we see that there's extra value in offering the perk of the free tapping system. And again, we can be really flexible with that. So if you choose to install an original in your showroom and your next sale is then a kettle signature, you can pay the difference. If you choose the lovely brass, for example, but your next sale is a copper, we can absolutely, exactly.
And it's also inclusive if I opt for a chiller, I think, as well, isn't it? So,
absolutely, if you pop the chiller into, which is a great thing to show your customers, especially how much space it doesn't take up under the sink. So everything, whatever you pay on that initial, it's it's then available to you.
That's great. One. So Holly, is there a limit on the number of working displays I could have?
Not at all, no. We have a couple of retailers that have either 2 signature models or an original and a signature, so not at all. Fill your showroom.
Fantastic.
If you like to.
Thank you.